Hey, I'm Toby, and I'm going to show you how to use web automation tools to open a browser tab in your local browser. So this might be from Zapier or from n8n automation, from your own code, from Google Apps Script, from make.com. Basically anywhere where you do something on the web and you might want to open a page on your local browser pretty much immediately. OpenThat.Link is a great fit for that use case. It's a browser extension, so you'll just hit install that extension and it'll end up here. I'm gonna pin this so that I have it readily available. And once I open it, it gives me this webhook URL that is personal to my browser. So this link here will make it so that example.com opens in a new browser tab here in my browser. So I'm just gonna paste that in here to show you how that works. Within a few seconds, we should see example.com being opened there. And that indeed works. So this is interesting, but obviously we've triggered the tab to open from the same browser, so not really a real life use case. So let me show you what an actual real life use case could be. So I'm gonna open Notemation. This is Notemation that I'm hosting myself, and I will create a new workflow. Now I'm a big fan of the New Yorker, and I want to open any new article that comes online on the New Yorker in my browser pretty much immediately. So let's say the New Yorker and many other news sites as well have RSS feeds, which is a machine readable way to get notified of new articles. So I'm going to copy that here. And in Notemation, there is a RSS trigger that will check every minute for new articles on this feed URL. Let's try to get one. This is an example, but obviously this would then trigger every minute if there's a new article. Now, the next step is an HTTP request, because that's the actual request to open that link. To get started, it's really easy. Import curl request and then go into the extension. And there's one example for a curl request as well. So I'm just going to copy that and paste that in here and hit import. So it'll automatically fill all of this. Obviously, I don't want to open example.com. So let me change that to the actual link. Oh, sorry. Need to move that to the right spot. Should go here. And so this looks good. I'm gonna hit save, publish, and I'll run this workflow once. So within a couple of seconds, 10 to 60 seconds usually, I should have that browser window open, or that browser tab open. So I can see, okay, that is now opening. Now, this might work for like personal use cases, like opening an article, when there's a new blog article on your favorite blog, those kind of things. It is also available for a lot of other triggers. So say, for instance, if you want to open any new lead of a certain type from HubSpot or from Salesforce, that might be a use case where you pretty much want to attend to that immediately. Or if you're a developer on GitHub, you want to open new pull requests that are opened and assigned to you that you need to take a look at automatically, you can do that from here. So there are tons of ways you can use this. It really does one thing, and it does this one thing well. That's the idea. The other thing I would say is open source, so you can inspect the code. You can self-host this, run it yourself, install it yourself without the web store as well. And it's built in a way that there's no sign up, no personal data that it handles, and the data is only stored for as little time as possible to make this service work. And with that, I hope that you enjoy using it, and I wish you a nice day.